Oh, baby, look at that. Man, this is going to be so freaking good. Nothing to do here. Just push the lid on and wait for some slow smoking good times. What do you say there, Show Hillbilly? Look here, I started to make a video on these ribs, and I guess I thought I was videotaping or recording on one video when I put all the seasonings on and everything, but none of it's all gone. I guess I never even hit record, or anyway. What we got right here is SPG, regular old salt, pepper, garlic, and some rosemary and thyme. And on this one, there's some maple barbecue, some applewood rub, and something else that's more of a sweet. Pineapple habanero. Right now, I'm going to flip these. We're doing direct fire, and these are just going to be pork chop ribs right here. You realize that's just pork chops. Ribs are anyway, baby backs. It's just leftover pork chops, and I'm just going to sear these up. And anyway, yeah, I left out part of the video. I don't even know if I posted it. If I post it, whatever. But anyway, salt, pepper, garlic. And then I'm going to do one in sweet rub with some apple habanero barbecue sauce. What a beautiful day, huh? Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Goodness. Oh my God, I about dropped the whole damn thing. What are you doing, dumbass? Alright. God have mercy. What is wrong with me today? Look at there. That's a salt, pepper, and garlic one. I'll tell you what, let's see where we're at. Man, those suckers are about done right there anyway. Yeah. Let's wrap these suckers up, man. Alright. About to have a damn grease fire here. But we're gonna put the SPG, the plain old savory ribs. Look at those things. I mean, just look at that. Look what a beautiful, crispy, I mean, just savory. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put just a little bit more. SPG down. Put all the butter down in there. Good enough. All right, we're going to wrap that. Going to do the same thing with the other one. Hang on a second. Well, look at those beauties. Look at that. Alrighty. Let's get some. Wow, it's hot. Oh, God have mercy. That is hot now. I'm telling you what. Boy, this thing took off on me. It's pretty. God have mercy. 212. What we got going on down in here? We're done. Alright. I took and foil boated everything. They call it, those ribs broke in half. Everything's like fall apart tender. I like it that way. You know, I know a lot of people don't. They preach about not doing it that way. I don't give a shit. Hell, I have never in my life. That's your salt and pepper, and that's the sweet barbecue rib. I have never in my life put on any kind of cookout or anything and had anyone bitch that the meat was too tender. You know what I'm saying? I mean, come on now. I understand the whole competition barbecue thing, but geez, guys, come on. Tender meat always wins the race. So that's where I go. I don't care. But anyway, I'm just letting it kind of dry out. And then I'm going to wrap it up and let it rest for an hour. And we're going to cut into it and eat some ribs. I'll tell you what. It's going to be good, man. It's got to be good. It has to be. I'll tell you what. I'm telling you something right here. Old Malcolm Reed has got this stuff. I like that AP. That is some good stuff. That's some good old school SPG. I ain't forgot you, sweetie. Grandpa's got you bone here soon. We'll get you some food, all right? She's like, well, take your sweet time, asshole. All right. Enough of me jabbering. We're about ready to eat. Oh, my God.